We are satisfied and we are very, very happy that the task that was entrusted to us as a committee under the leadership of Father Henry Falcao has been, today it has come to an end. I feel relieved, I feel happy, and I feel satisfied, and there is a deep sense of contentment deep inside me. This will be one of my most memorable experiences, memorable days that I have spent with the exposition committee members, with the government officials, with the volunteers, with everybody who have worked tirelessly to make this exposition a spiritual experience and a successful exposition in all respects. You can talk of it in terms of the planning, the meticulous planning, the execution, and the way we have brought it to an end. First, we started it with a solemn, grand procession, and today also there was a grand final closing procession that culminated in the Eucharistic celebration.
Well, my say is simple. The exposition concluded today, as you rightly said, with St. Francis Xavier. We will continue to look after Goa, protect Goa, and guide us. The exposition's over doesn't mean that he has come to an end. He's here and he will guide us and strengthen all of us. His message of peace, joy, and love, I think, has a lot of meaning, and it should be our duty, our responsibility, to try and spread this message all over Goa, Karnataka, other neighboring states, from wherever pilgrims have come.
I think this exposition has been excellently managed. I give compliment, politics apart, I give compliment to Honorable Minister Alish Sikera, Sandeep Jacques, the Commissioner, Father Henry Falcao, and the entire team which worked day and night, because I know that there were meetings and what they were doing. There are also security arrangements which had to be made. It's not just what we see here. And I'm glad that people who came got a chance for veneration. Senior citizens, the people who have handicapped or disabled people or differently abled people, they also had a very special this thing which was made for them. Access, like I would say, barrier free, what we call. And I think this kind of a thing reflects the ethos of Goa. This kind of a culture which we have of a communal harmony resonates not just in our houses but across the entire state and people from even beyond. And I wish that we have this spirit of communal harmony, revering our Goinso Sahib, because don't forget Goinso Sahib is our protector of Goa, and for this reason I once again wish everybody a very happy closing ceremony, and I wish Goinso Sahib protects us.